Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Hume Johnson. I'm a speaker coach, I'm a professor of communication, and I'm the creator of the HUME method of public speaking. And I want to share one of the questions that came up in my Own the Room public speaking live workshop recently, because it's one of those questions that so many professionals have and so many professionals struggle with. How do I stop the public speaking spiral? Let me tell you what this looks like. So, have you ever been in the middle of a talk? Your mind suddenly goes blank. I think a lot of professors can relate to this as well. But back in the day, my heart doesn't pound anymore. But follow the point I'm saying. Your heart is pounding. You can't even remember what you said 30 seconds ago. And now you're feeling yourself spiraling. A lot of professionals go through this, especially the ones who are not as comfortable with public speaking. You're not really alone in this. It comes up a lot. But here's the thing. You can actually stop the spiral even in the moment it's happening to you. And a client of mine was explaining to me what happened to her recently while she was giving a talk. And she didn't have the words for it, but it was a spiral. Tip number 1, come back to your breath. When we spiral, we forget to breathe. You're literally in panic mode. So we breathe fast and shallow, and that just feeds the panic. I promise. So pause. It is okay to pause. Inhale slowly. Exhale even slower, because that sends a message to your nervous system that you're safe. And that pause, it gives you back control. Don't be afraid of the pause. The audience actually want to hear what you have to say. They're willing to wait. Number 2, reconnect with the room. Get out of your head. I know you're stressed about the augustness of the occasion, but pick one face in that room, a pleasant face. Smile at them, because it will remind you that this is not a performance. It's a conversation. You're not here to prove yourself to anyone. You're here to share something real and something important, and the audience actually wants to hear what you have to say. Tip number 3, come back to your message. Ask yourself, what am I trying to say? Forget being perfect. Just land your message. Simply like you're talking to a friend. Even if you're in a stadium of 45,000 people, speak as if you're having a conversation with only one person, with a friend. So next time you feel the spiral starting or happening, breathe. Breathe. Number 2, reconnect with the room, with the people in the room. This is not a performance, it's a conversation. And return to your message. You have something important to say, and it's a conversation between you and those people. If you want more tools, especially on how to speak with clarity, with confidence, and with credibility, especially when the pressure is on, join me for the next Own the Room public speaking fast track. It's live, it's virtual, and it's packed with practical strategies that work. And if you're like some of the folks who wrote to me, who say, I don't like speaking in a group, head over to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿 and click on the Work With Me tab and sign up for individual coaching. I want you to remember, though, that speaking most times involves a lot of people. So I want you to get comfortable talking in front of people. You can be a confident speaker, and I'll show you how. See you soon. Bye-bye.